Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name's Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I've got two of the new Walmart beauty favorite boxes. I just picked up two because they have a nail one that I'm partially interested in, because I would want the brush that's in it. They actually have, it's supposed to be for nails, but it has a makeup brush in it that's really nice. It's like a good powder, like bronzer type, or not even bronzer, blush type brush from Moda, and it's the same ones we got in Boxy before with that black waffle handle. And so I was so tempted to get it just for that. Did I need the rest of that stuff? No. So I didn't get that one, and the only other one I saw was, oh no, one was something glow, and it had some masks that I wasn't really ever interested in. I don't remember what all was in it. But I got these two. I did not see any of the hair ones. I was really interested in one of the hair ones that actually came with the charcoal toothpaste, because I've been wanting to try charcoal toothpaste. But my Walmart hasn't gotten it yet. So hopefully within the next week or so they will have them. I don't have the largest Walmart in the world. I mean, it's a decent size, but it's not like large, you know, like the bigger ones can be. I hope you're enjoying this extra sparkle on my eye. I decided to pop on a Stila glitter and diamond dust, just like on the inner, not quite half, almost a half, over the Tarte, just to jazz up my eye look just a little bit today. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get into these. I figure since I don't have a lip product, I would go ahead and go into this one. This one is the latest in lips kit, and I did remember I purchased a couple of these last year. I actually purchased the eye one, and I ended up giving what was in the eye one to my aunt and my mom, like splitting it up. I did like the lashes that were in it, and I did wear those a few times. I still have at least one pair. I'm pretty sure I have the other one too. They like the CoverGirl palette that was in there, and so I thought this was interesting. And you open it up and it shows you all that's in here. And I only got it because I was really interested in this Flower Beauty, which retails for about $8. They have an Almay sparkly lip gloss, which I'm always in for sparkly lip glosses. This plumping one I may not use. It looks almost like a mascara. It's a hard candy lip plumper. And a couple of these other ones in mask. Let me go ahead and open this. $9.88, by the way. I don't know if the hair one's going to be more expensive. I'm hoping mine gets the hair ones within the next week. So it is the My Collagen Hydrogel Lip Patch, which are supposed to smooth away lip lines, dry cracked lips in 10 to 15 minutes with the nourishing and moisturizing benefits of super berries. So I use My Collagen Hydrogel Lip Patches infused with a special blend of collagen, nutrient-rich fruit and plant extracts to soothe and plump lips with moisture. It says hydrolyzed collagen, licorice root, and green tea extracts to instantly soothe and restore moisture to lips suffering from dryness and unsightly lines. And our super berry complex includes a potent blend of 5 super berries: strawberry, blueberry, bearberry, like B-E-A-R, berry, and cranberry and blackberry to help soothe and restore moisture. I'm not going to use these. I don't ever use these. I'm bad about using my freaking eye patches and stuff that are actually good for under eye circles, but I'm even worse about these. So I didn't give them away, but my aunt was actually interested in these. I think she tried one out and she liked it, so I'll probably just save that for her. Hard candy. It looks really cool. I love the packaging. Plumping serum. Pretty sure it shows up clear. Supreme volumizing lip gloss. I don't know if it's tingly or anything, but it looks really neat. I gotta love the packaging. However, I don't need plumping at all, really. So I'm going to pass this along probably to one of my nieces, probably the oldest one. I'll save it for her birthday. I'm gonna get it sealed and stuff. I'll just put it up somewhere and give it to her for her birthday. She likes to get makeup and stuff for her birthday, so be one of the things. Here, go plump your. Now, the Neutrogena is the only one that's not sealed, oddly enough. And I haven't tried the Neutrogena, I haven't tried Neutrogena makeup in, I'm talking years, since high school. Well, right after high school, I think I was still using, like, they had an acne foundation. Whatever. Anyway, this is a hydrating lip shine. Lips look and feel hydrated for 24 hours with hyaluronic acid. And I don't think this one, the back of the box actually contains all the ingredients for everything. And yeah, this doesn't contain carmine. It does have castor seed oil and polybutane. I don't know what that is. Let's go ahead and swatch at least this one. Oh, it's got like a whiter, kind of almost flatty kind of type of doe foot. Looks like I need another dip. And it's like the doe foot's a little wide for the hole. It's an odd doe foot. It's not like it's not working. It's a fuzzy paddle. I don't know. It's weird. It's pretty. It's just like a little light wash of color. So it's a true gloss in that sense. It's really hard to shove that doe foot in and out. Okay, this is, I don't have this one. I have a few Wet n Wild cat suits. I don't mind them most, except for like one was sheer that was from the Fire and Ice collection. Those were kind of sheer. But overall, I don't mind them. I don't even mind the doe foot really. But this is the shade Flirt Alert. It's very pink. It's a very Amy color. Love their metallics, like the ones from the Mermaid collection. You can find them anywhere. They are so awesome. I still use those. They are so, one's like pigment, metallic, just great colors. I think I like a fruity candy. Not a bad color. It's very pink. Very spring. Actually, we're gonna, I thought it was gonna dry down matte, but it's kind of staying creamy. Okay, that's why. This is actually their high shine lipstick. So this is their newer formula, right? I'm using the matte, even the metallic mattes dry down. So this is staying like more like a creamy gloss. Like a gloss, but more like a creamy lipstick, I guess. So drying down. But this is the Almay Goddess Gloss, and I can honestly say I don't have anything Almay. They put something from Almay in their last eye kit, which I passed along because that one actually contained carmine. That brown one did. My lips can handle it more every now and then if I do wear one, or if I want to wipe it off. If it gets like over here, I might like get like one of those little small weird pimples, and that's from the carmine. This Goddess Gloss and Angelic Vanillas. Oh, it's like holographic. You see what they did? So I like the holographic-ness of it, which is probably really pretty over like a true matte lipstick. So I'm cool with that. Flower Beauty one. This is my first Flower Beauty product. I know everybody's hyped them up. I just have not bit the bullet and actually bought anything Flower Beauty. So this is their lipstick. It retails for almost $8, like $7.68. This is the shade Dark and Stormy. It's a very like deeper nude. I mean, it's got a brownie purpley nude kind of going on in it. Yeah. A little bit more brown. All vanilla. Like instantly matte. One of the lipsticks, like you feel it applying, like you can feel it feels like wet. Like it's weird. It's like giving it feels wet going on. I don't know anything about this formula. It doesn't. It says Miracle Matte Lip, so it's supposed to go matte. It looks matte-ish. I don't know if it's still drying down. I mean, it looks matte. It's not Not really sticky. It's not drying. So it's a weird feeling. When you press your lips together, you get that wet feeling again. Like, it's weird. It's like, you know, normally you're so used to how a lipstick feels, even in metallic. This one, it feels like wet. I don't know. And when you press your lips, it's like very wet. Like moisturizing it. But, yeah. So it looks completely matte, but like, even now, still pressing my lips, I feel that weird wet feeling. I don't know, it's kind of neat. It's not a bad feeling, it just feels a little odd. So, yeah. Even there, like, it still looks really wet. From Burt's Bees, this is a liquid lipstick. I have not tried their liquid lipstick in Tidal Taupe. Very pretty nude. I've had a, you know, regular lipstick, which I'm thinking. So, you got a little... Not quite a smash box, it's got that shape, but doesn't have like the hole in the middle. So I'm gonna go ahead. Like lipstick. Like, you kind of smell the waxing. Like, I'm talking about like an old school lipstick. How old school lipsticks used to try to scent their stuff. That weird artificial fruitiness. Like, fruity heat kind of thing. That with, you know, but with wax. That. Maybe with a little bit more peach than my current lips. Okay, bottom and top lip, how much different? It's literally my lip color almost, just maybe a little bit more peach. It's funny. A true nude for me. It's so weird. It's, what lipstick am I thinking? Like an Avon maybe, a little lipstick or something? Because you inhale it and you smell like the wax, which is weird. You shouldn't smell that. But you smell like the wax of a lipstick, but mixed with that artificial fruity. It's kind of weird. I think it's like going to be like more like a cream. So it's nice. It's not bad. Okay, with that set, that's a good set. I mean, I went in knowing I was going to save this for my aunt and the plum. Okay, so next one is this Walmart Favorites Glow Like a Pro. This is valued over $36. Of course, that other one said like $47. Get ready for your close-up with our glow enhancing face set. So we have all of this in here, which I've been wanting to try and how that looks. So I'm like excited for this set. Okay, I used to use e.l.f. primers before I got into makeup heavily. e.l.f. was the brand I always used because it was always available at the drugstore. And, or it started being available at the drugstore and other places. That, and I used like NYX setting powders, which weren't that great in their primers, but, or sometimes their primers. But I used these, I think, in green and purple, but I don't think I used this one. I actually think this one's newer. This e.l.f. pink one, this poreless face primer. Is it newer? I don't know, but these retail for about $6. But I kind of want to compare this to, it does have pomade, which is like palm oil, has tea tree oil in it, and dimethicone and all that. I kind of want to compare it to the No Pore one primer that we just got in BoxyCharm, the Touch and Soul one. I want to see what it's kind of like. I am super duper excited. These are like deluxe sample sizes. I have one lip from Milani and I don't even use it. So this is the Milani highlighter Afterglow Strobe Light, and it is all sealed. So no carmine in the highlight, so that is good. It's really pretty, so I kind of just want to try it out. And it's such like a handy little size. It's cute with the little gold packaging. And I just haven't put the bullet because they are like $10 blushes. And I'm so, like, I don't know. I think their highlights are the same or more. Speaking of which, have you noticed that the price for Physicians Formula has gone up dramatically at like CVS? Like bronzer is like $15, $16 now. And so has the Healthy Foundation went up a few dollars, like $3 or something like that. I'm like, what the mess? Because I was in CVS the other day. This is pretty. Kind of a glow action going on. That is really soft. Next is this Rose Powder Blush and Romantic Rose. Give the rose on it. This one is sealed as well. unfortunately, this does have carmine. It's down there. Why do you need carmine when you have all these red lake dyes? I don't know, but it's in there. So I'm a little hesitant to use it, but I do want to use this because I've been wanting to try it. Oh, that's a nice blush. Okay. I want to see what happens. I'll just have to be careful and not use my regular brush. Make sure my highlight doesn't get into it. So I have to go like after my highlight or something. Yeah, it's the thing I have to worry about constantly with carmine. Like, is another brush touching it? You know, that's going near my eye or something like that. So more my little worries than anything else, but I want to try that out. I want to give it a chance. I want to see how long it lasts. I do love blushes. I usually am willing certain blushes, even with carmine, to wear them a few days before I start breaking out, or, you know, as I start to. It's interesting in here, but I am going to be passing it along. It's really dark, but I imagine, like, if you really diffuse this with lotion, like a tiny drop with a bunch of lotion or something, or because I saw somebody swatch it and it was like really thick, maybe not like a direct application unless you're already dark. But I'm thinking like mix in with lotion, it'd be really pretty and give you like a soft little glowy tan moment. But this is the Hard Candy Just Glow Body Luminizer Head to Toe Skin Glow. So you swatch it, but I am going to pass this along because I read on the back, and is the last ingredient, that it has carmine. It's a good size. So again, I believe I have an older niece, and she's into the tan. Another thing from Hard Candy. This is the Hard Candy Match Your Envy Setting Spray. Mattifying, controls oil, minimizes pores, 12-hour wear and hydration. So you get mattifying but hydration. I really want to try this. I'm always down to try new setting sprays and stuff like that. So that is cool. So it's really interesting. I've only tried one thing from Found because their foundation is $14 at Walmart. Okay. But this is Found Stardust Illuminating Makeup Setting Spray. So lists a little bitty samples, a ½ ounce, like the Hard Candy was 1 ounce. This other Hard Candy is 1 ounce. And stuff like that. So this is a ½ ounce. So this is not, oh, it's got a little shaker in it. Probably do want to shake it if this is anything like that cover. Shake, 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 shake. So shake well, hold bottle 8 to 10 inches away from face and spray evenly with mouth and eyes closed to set makeup. Can be used throughout the day to replenish. It has alcohol, not as the second ingredient. It has aloe, honeysuckle flower. You know that has setting spray. But I tried like I tried a face mask that I really liked. It's like a red clay one. Kind of smells fresh. I get like a hint of the aloe and honeysuckle. Did it illuminate me? I have no idea, but it was fine sprays. And last but not least in here is from Maybelline. This is the Master Prime by Face Studio. Primer and base, hydrate and smooth. This is a ½ ounce. It's just a sample. Visibly smooth, prime skin with hydration, lightweight formula, does not clog pores. And that's all it says. And on the back of here, no carmine. So it's one of their newer products that doesn't contain carmine. Believe you me, all their new mascaras, liners, contain carmine. So yeah, I've been wanting to try out their primers. I'm just like, no, I try one, like usually Boxy Charm gets me to try them, and then I end up falling in love with them, especially Dr. Brandt's or even Becca ones. So like, kind of stay in that wheelhouse. So for today, I did try out the No Problem primer. So, but I've been wanting to try this. I just haven't bought it. So this is the Master Prime, and I'm wanting to try it, see how it goes. Yeah, I think they're great little kits. The others might interest you more than they do me currently. I want the hair one. I'm hoping to get that one hair one with the charcoal toothpaste and even the charcoal shampoo. That sounds interesting, even though it's herbalism. I'm like down for that. I wouldn't mind trying that as well if my Walmart ever gets them. So anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles!